Write an equation for a line that has a y-intercept of 2. That means it crosses the y-axis at 2 and is perpendicular to this line. So it's a lot of things that they're asking for. First of all, the y-intercept. You need to know that that is when x is 0. So that's a point, 0, 2. So I can use that point. And I also need a slope. As long as I have a point and a slope, I can write an equation of a line. So I have my y-intercept, so I really know what b is. B is 2. And then I have to find perpendicular to this line. Well, perpendicular, I need to remember, that means that their slopes are opposite reciprocals. So I recall what that means. That means if I have a slope of 2/3, that means that the perpendicular slope, which means they make a 90-degree angle. If my slope is 2/3, the perpendicular slope will be -3/2 because they're opposites. This one's positive, this one's negative, and they're reciprocals. So if I have a slope of -5, my perpendicular slope will be +1/5. So I have to find the slope of this line. I can find that from the equation by putting this equation into slope-intercept form. Because I have 1 as a coefficient of y, it's easy to find that my slope of this line is -3. That means I need a perpendicular slope, which would be +1/3. Now that I have my slope and my y-intercept, I can put it in slope-intercept form. And that's my answer. C is the correct answer.